question 40 from the GATE 2015 session 1 EC paper, where we are given this op-amp circuit connected to a Wheatstone's bridge and are asked to find out what the bridge output is for a delta of 0.05. Underneath the question, you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic. We have 1 volt on V plus and the op-amp is connected in negative feedback, so we can assume virtual short, given that it's ideal and has no voltage constraints. So you have 1 volt over here, which means you have 1 over 50 amps of current flowing that way. Now since there is zero current into the op-amp negative or out of it, all the current, that is the entirety of that 1 over 50 amps, must be coming from here. Now what this means is that there is a drop of 100 ohms into 1 over 50 amps, which is 2 volts, and you start at 1 volt, and if there is an increase of 2 volt, you get 3 volt here. Now the resistance in both arms of the Wheatstone's bridge are same, right? The total sum resistance in each is 500 ohms, right? 250 1 plus delta, 250 into 1 minus delta. That is, the current must equally divide. So now you get half of 1 over 50, which is 1 over 100 amps, and here you get 1 over 100 amps, right? So what that means is that there is a drop on this and a drop on this, which is the current into the resistance. So V naught is equal to the voltage on this node minus the voltage on this node. The voltage on this node is going to be 3 volt plus the drop on that resistor, which is 1 over 100 amps, the current, into the resistor value, 250 into 1 plus delta. And similarly, the voltage on this node, so V naught is the voltage on that node minus the voltage on this node, which is now the same thing, 3 volt plus 1 over 100 into the resistor value, which is 250 into 1 minus delta. So now we get the 3 will cancel, and the 1 will cancel when you actually do the multiplication and then subtract. What you will be left over with is 250 by 100 into 2 delta, because delta minus delta is 2 delta. This gives 500 by 100 delta, which is 5 delta. Now the problem says delta is 0.05, which means 5 delta is equal to 0.25, which is 250 millivolt. Thus the answer is 250 in millivolt.